Welcome to April 20 through 24, day 1 of ESOL instruction for newcomers grades 6 through 8. It's your teacher, Mr. Ebeling. This presentation is based on the grade 6 through 8 newcomer ESOL April 20th through 24, day 1 paper packet. These paper packets can be picked up at meal distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Rura Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rapola Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21224. On the first page of the packet, we see the materials that we will need, the objectives of the week, and the important words we need to focus on. The materials that we will need this week are 20 square pieces of paper or 20 pieces of anything, a pencil, and a bilingual dictionary if you have one. At the end of the week, you will be able to understand the relationship between multiplication and division, write multiplication and division expressions with letters and numbers, use writing skills to respond to a variety of questions about a text, write to explain fast and slow changes to Earth, write facts about severe weather, identify the character, setting, and problem in an excerpt from the book Swiss Family Robinson using a word bank and sentence starters. Important words for this week are multiplication, multiply, multiplying, evaluate, division, divide, expression, hungry, lonely, dinner, front, buried, cemetery, grave, loyal, Edinburgh, Scotland, fast changes, slow changes, erosion, weathering, earthquake, volcano, flood, landslide, surprising, worst, hurt, remember, severe, weather, character, setting, problem, solution, story, alone, hungry, cook, lobster. Here we have some images that correspond to our week's objectives. Pets make loyal friends. When a pet dies, you might feel lonely. Earth's surface goes through fast and slow changes. Look at the pencils. Draw or write anything you notice or wonder about the picture and record them below. When I look at this photo, I notice a number of different colored pencils on a table. I wonder where this is. On this page, we are instructed to write these vocabulary words in your language: multiplication, division, expression, and evaluate. In this next part, we are going to build our knowledge using objects. Start with 9 pieces. I will use pencils. Divide the 9 units into 3 equal groups. Write an expression to represent what we created. Now evaluate the expression. What is the answer? Use 4 pieces or squares to demonstrate how to multiply by 3 by 3. Change the original expression, 9 divided by 3, to create an expression about the pencils in step 5. Evaluate the expression. How are the numbers in step 1 similar to the numbers in step 7? We started with 9 pencils. After we divided by 3 and multiplied by 3, we ended with 9. The numbers at the beginning and at the end are the same. Now do this one by yourself. Check your answers on page 5. 1. Start with 12 pieces. I will use pencils. 2. Divide the 12 units into 3 equal groups. 3. Write an expression to represent what we created. 4. Now evaluate the expression. What is the answer? 5. Use your pieces or squares to demonstrate how to multiply 3 by 3. 6. Change the original expression, 9 divided by 3, to create an expression about the pencils in step 5. 7. Evaluate the expression. 8. How are the numbers in step 1 similar to the numbers in step 7? Here are the answers. 1. Start with 12 pieces. I will use 12 pencils. 2. Divide the 12 units into 3 equal groups. 3. Write an expression to represent what we created. 4. Now evaluate the expression. What is the answer? 5. Use your pieces or squares to demonstrate how to multiply 3 by 3. 6. Change the expression 9 divided by 3 to create an expression about the pencils in step 5. 7. Evaluate the expression. 8. How are the numbers in step 1 similar to numbers in step 7? We started with 12 pencils. After we divided by 3, we ended with 12. The numbers at the beginning and at the end are the same. In this next section, complete the expression and then write in the words. Last, speak the sentence out loud. These expressions can be expressed as A divided by B times B equals A. In this next section, complete the expression and then write in words. Last, speak the sentence out loud. For self-assessment and reflection, we are directed to write 4 expressions. Use A times by divided by B equals A to write 2 expressions with numbers. Then, use the same formula to write 2 expressions with letters. Next time, we will learn about the relationship between multiplication and addition. This is the end of the presentation. Please complete as much of the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you're away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebeling.